SmartMicroScope iGo2 Configure Classroom Set for iOS and Android devices. If you have more than one iGo2 in your classroom, you're going to want to configure it so you know which iGo your device is connected to. We're going to walk through this process one step at a time. You're going to begin by connecting to your device one iGo. Then you're going to go to the app and click App Settings. You'll see the list of domain name. Click on domain name and it's going to pop up. We're going to want to change that name, so put your cursor in that box, backspace over it, and rename it something simple. We're going to go with Scope 1. Once we have that done, we're going to click OK, and a box is going to pop up that says you're no longer connected because you've changed the Wi-Fi name. The next step is taking that iGo and labeling it in some way. Masking tape works really well. Go to your Wi-Fi settings, choose the new name for your scope. Password is the same because we didn't change it. When you connect, you see that you are connected to Scope 1 at the top. So the next step is to simply grab the next iGo and walk through the same process with each one. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful.